That building was used for planning, construction, maintenance, and the child nutrition department. After the flood, all of the departments had to relocate and are still relocated today. That building is where we kept all our supplies to fix things in all of our then 28 schools. We had door hardware, plywood, marker boards for teachers' classrooms. All those things were lost. And so we lost a large amount of contents in the building, as well as all of the built-in furniture. There's a lot of office space in there, so all the office furniture gone. It was very overwhelming. Brought an overwhelming feeling of how are we going to do this? How are we going to get back in school? What's the next step? The way that we used the FEMA money to, I guess, avoid this in the future was working with the architects to raise the building above the 100-year, right at the 100-year flood, and bring it in accordance, bring the building up to the elevation required by code, whereas it was built years ago at a lower elevation that maybe at the time complied with code, but to rebuild a new building today, you know, we had to raise it approximately 3 feet to avoid this happening again. We are absolutely excited. This has been 3 years of, first we took care of our schools and got our students back into all the schools, got the schools rebuilt. And you know, the last steps for us turned out to be this building. This is the very last of all of our buildings that were damaged by the flood. But we're all getting excited, from my maintenance staff to my construction managers, the child nutrition department. We've all been working together to plan to order the furniture that's going to go in the building, which is the last step before you move in. So we're getting really excited. We're expecting to move in maybe in March.